We are working with the orange cap coral, which is amazing to have in Gibraltar, first of all. I think if you think of coral, you think the tropics and Caribbean, Australia. But what was really interesting for me is that it's just on the doorstep of Europe. We're right in Gibraltar, we're here, and we have those amazing coral. And sadly enough, those corals are in decline, even though they're very, very important, not just for the ecosystem and the biodiversity, but also for everybody to enjoy, to go swimming, diving, or even recreational fishing. No? So we think it's a really important point to conserve this unique native species in our Gibraltar waters.
So funding like this is vital.
Exactly. So we're very grateful. We get to focus full time on conserving that coral and working with that coral.
We're just trying to establish a computerized database of census of macaques. So my day-to-day might look like visiting the nature reserve, focusing on certain troops. I might pick a troop that I haven't seen before, and if that were the case, I will be taking clear facial photos of the individuals and then profiling those individuals so they'll have a name. If they have a tattoo, that's databased as well, and just keeping track of who's who in the troops.
Well, securing funding for such projects is always a challenge, and even more so for Gibraltar, especially after Brexit. Because before Brexit, we could tap into EU mainstream funding, and that would enable us to collaborate with European counterparts. But after Brexit, or since Brexit, these avenues have been very, very limited for us because we can no longer access EU funding, and we are not part of the bigger UK funding streams either. So we are a bit in a limbo with regards to funding. So yeah, we are thankful for Darwin Plus for the opportunity that they bring to the overseas territories.
And £150,000 is significant.
It's very significant, especially for us, for a small university like us, a young university. So it's very, very remarkable.